how to turn off or change sent mail swoosh sound on iPhone. First, let's go back to your home screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then we scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. In here, scroll down, then tap on Sent Mail, and then you can select one of the available tones in here. If you want to turn it off completely, just simply select None. Otherwise, you can change to another sound. Now, the swoosh sound is the default sound. So if you don't like to hear the sound at all, simply just select None, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.